Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening.
Okay, I'm Winda Prestika. Today I will present the material. The material for today is impact of using the TikTok application on student character development. Okay, next. The first explanation I will explain about definition TikTok. TikTok is an application in the form of a video or photo that provide interesting effects that can be used by user of this application. The existence of an application creates a generation of teenagers who like to dance unnaturally and not according to their age. For this reason, it is important to understand the impact of using application, especially to parents so that children can regulate the use and development of children who can develop properly and become children with good character. The purpose of character education is basically to encourage the birth of good children. The growth and development of good character will encourage students to grow with their capacity and commitment to do the best thing and do everything right and have a purpose in life. Character education is one of the very important foundation of the nation and need to be instilled in children from an early age. Nation character is an important aspect of the quality of human resource because the quality of the nation character determines the progress of a nation quality character need to be formed and nurtured from an early age. In addition, TikTok can also make the younger generation to like this sway unnaturally and not according to their age. Children become more thinking and doing something to produce interesting and funny content without thinking about whether it is appropriate or not. Therefore, it is important to understand the impact of using the TikTok application, especially for parents, so that children can be limited in their use and children development power can develop and become children of good character, active, intelligent, and interactive with others. Okay, next slide. Okay, the next material about positive impact and negative impact. Based on the result of observational and interview research, it showed that there is an effect of using TikTok on the character of students. But in terms of positive and negative, as for the impact as follow, the first is positive impact. From the positive side, it is the same as the usefulness of this application, which has a positive charge if used properly. Based on the entertainment and creativity contained in the TikTok application is easily get a place in the heart of each user. The first is the birth of choreo dance among young people because the content in this application present a variety of creative video editing and interesting music so that it makes someone who is creative will use it to further hone his creativity and hobby in the field of choreography. The second is teach children to brave and responsible for appearing in public if used in positive content. And the last is eliminate boredom, and fatigue. Next slide, please. Okay, the next slide is negative impact. The impact of time in the use of the TikTok application on the development of student character is the first is changing a person's attitude is not good. For example, children often get angry when making the video or disturbed by friends or people around them. Second is making children neglect their smartphone in making video so that they forget to pray and study time. Third is making children dishonest. For example, when they ask for money for snack, they use it for other things, namely buying quota. Fourth is making children disrespect older people or follow friends. And five is make children undisciplined. Six is make children not aware of making a video with bad content. And the last is spending time just to play smartphone. Okay, the next slide, please. So, the most prominent impact is changing a person's character or attitude for TikTok user themselves as the character that must be instilled by students, namely virtuous character, honest, disciplined, tolerant, open-minded, and respecting each other. They become good human beings. Okay, next slide. Okay, the next material is TikTok is addictive. Do the following things. The first is turn off notification. Turn off the notification button so as not to interfere with daily activities such as studying and working. You will find it easier to concentrate on daily tasks and not be distracted by notifications that like to come randomly and can interfere with focus. Second is limit TikTok play time. Set a time on your watch phone to limit the amount of time you spend playing TikTok. Give yourself a warning by setting a rule like only playing 1 hour a day or 7 hours per week. Discipline and commitment are important key to the success of this stage. The third is find a new hobby. Try to find a new hobby to fill your spare time. You can learn a new skill or do something you always want. Keep yourself busy with regular practice to perfect your new hobby. If you previously had free time to play TikTok for hours, by reducing only half of the portion of your time, playing social media for a more positive hobby, you not only get a new skill but also income a new friend. The fourth is clear friend and follow list in your TikTok account. The more you follow, the more you have to see. The more you have to see, the more time you will spend playing TikTok. For that, limit your follow list to only things that you enjoy. Reduce following account that looks least attractive to you. Make TikTok not only as entertainment but also a page for you to improve your skill or learn new things. Do not carelessly follow popular account but with fewer quality content. It's just a waste of time. Five is socialize with friend or family alone. You can direct the amount of time spent on social media to be set aside by making plan to hang out with your real friend. Try to keep a specific schedule for hang hang out with your friend, you are under no obligation to continuously respond to updates or upload content on your TikTok account. But social interaction with people around you, such as colleague friend, office friend, and family are important and must be fulfilled to keep you from declining mental health and maintain your emotional stability. The C is fasting using TikTok. If you feel that your TikTok addiction symptoms are getting worse, then you can do fasting on social media. You can try deleting your TikTok account for a period of time to try to train yourself to gradually reduce your addiction. With this fasting phase, you can do other healthier and more positive activity. And the last is applying the rule of holding a cell phone. Discipline yourself by distancing yourself from your smartphone at certain time, such as when working or studying. Turn off your cell phone or try changing your cell phone setting to airplane mode so you don't get any notification during work that can bring your attention back your cell phone. Okay, that's enough material that I can convey for today. If there are things that are not understood or there are questions that are present, to turn on your mic. Thank you. If you any question, feel free, guys.
Well, my name is Marina Wahyuni. My question is, how do we do, how do we deal the negative effects of playing TikTok?
Okay, I will try answer your question. I think to overcome the negative impact of using TikTok, one of thing that is need is the rule of one and other adult is very important in supervising the use of smartphone application. Parents must instill in their children their importance of understanding digital literacy, for example, related to the use of an application, prevention of addiction to playing, gadget, the negative and positive effect of using social media, and so on. It is clear?
All right, that's clear. Thank you.
Yes, welcome, Kak. Any other?
Hello, Winda.
Yes, Tina?
Hello, Winda. My name is Agustina Anggreni Inat. I have question for you. In your opinion, how do you deal with millennials who use the TikTok application excessively or something even use revealing codes specifically for phones user? Thank you.
Okay. In my opinion, the way to deal with creators who play TikTok sexually is like dancing in inappropriate clothes. What we need to do is give advice first to the woman because her action do not need to be done if seen by children who also use TikTok because almost everyone use TikTok. There is an underskate. For example, if the adult is not listed, to then make a report on the TikTok account so that it is compared to TikTok. It is clear, Tina? Hello, Tina.
Hello, Winda. It's clear. Thank you, Winda.
Yes, you're welcome, Tina. Any other?
I have a question, Ina.
Yes, Julie.
Okay, you have already explained about as a character that must be played by student, namely fierce, honest, disciplined, tolerant, open, and mutual respect for human to be human. My question is, what do you mean by discipline? Thank you.
Okay, I get your point. What is meant by the word discipline in that sentence is that the child will be negligent of everything and often procrastinates so that it is not done in a timely manner. It is clear, Uli?
Okay, it's clear. Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome.
Winda, I have question for you.
Yes, silakan. Ya.
Actually, my question is the same as Kak Zurai. Kak Maidina. So my question is, what are the positive and negative impacts that can be taken for TikTok users?
Okay, I wanna try answer your question. In this slide, I explain the positive impact for using TikTok application. The first is the birth of choreo dance among young people. The second is teach children to be brave and responsible to appearing in public if used in positive content. And the last is eliminates boredom and fatigue. Uh, Sedangkan negative impact for using TikTok application, there is the first is changing a person attitude is not good. Second is making children neglect their smartphone in making video. Third is making children dishonest. Fourth is making children disrespect older people or fellow friend. Five is make children undisciplined. Six is children not aware of making a video with bad content, and the last is spending time just to play smartphone. I think that's all. It's clear, yeah?
Yes, Winda, it is clear. Thank you very much.
Yes, you're welcome.
I am Alfisuka Isikasifa. I am have two questions for you, Winda.
Yes, silakan.
And the question is, what benefits will we get from playing TikTok?
I think in opinion there are several benefits of playing TikTok. There is the first is as entertainment when you feel bored or feel you are spare time. Second is increased creativity because we know in the TikTok application there is a dance trend that can be followed by all without any. And the last is adding relationship or because friendship on TikTok, there is a comment feature that make it easier for users to get virtual. I think that's enough. It is clear, Avi?
Yes, Winda, it's clear. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Do you have any question? Others? If not, no more question. I will end my presentation today. Okay, I think that's enough my presentation for today. Thank you for your time and see you the next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.